Hi there. Today I have a great video for you. We're going to be making snack sticks, beef snack sticks. But if you're a hunter, you can also do this with venison, seasonings, equipment, pretty much everything you need to. And we're going to be using LEM products. LEM makes a full line of do things like this. I have an LEM jerky cannon. This is what we'll use to extrude our snack sticks. It's kind of like a big caulking gun. I've had this one for years. We're also going to be using a filler tube to go on the end of the jerky cannon so we can fill snack sticks. And for casings, LEM has collagen casings that'll fit this tube. And these are made from collagen. They're edible. And then for seasoning, I have LEM Backwoods Original Snack Stick Seasoning, and this is great. So I'm going to get our ingredients together, get the jerky cannon assembled, we'll mix our ingredients, and then I'll show you how we make our snack sticks. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're ready to mix the meat for our snack sticks. So you need 80% beef or venison, 20% pork. So I'm making 2 pounds. The seasoning package comes with enough seasoning and cure for 5 pounds. And I'm going to, at the end of the video, I'll give you the measurements for 1 pound. I highly recommend buying the seasoning. It's awesome, and the measurements are on the package. So we'll start off with our meat. We're going to add our cure, our seasoning and our cure. I'm going to mix it by hand. You want to thoroughly mix it. Get all that flavor mixed in the meat really well. I think by hand is the best way to do it. Making snack sticks isn't hard at all, and they're awesome. And you hunters will really like it out of venison. It's going to give me quite a bit. A little bit more mixing here and we'll be ready to go. Now, for this amount, I need 2 ounces of cold water. I'm going to put that in there now. It's going to be sloppy to start, so be careful. It'll absorb it. There we go, we're all mixed in. So I'm going to wash up and we'll get ready to load the jerky cannon and extrude our snack sticks. All right, we're ready to load our jerky cannon. Now, like I told you before, I'm using original flavor. LEM also has hot and pepper, or you can buy a variety, like a box with all the flavors in it. And another cool thing that LEM offers is high temp cheese. So you could put some cheese in these if you like, or buy the original and make it your own. Maybe dice up jalapenos, whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how we load the cannon. So you want to press the button here, pull it all the way back, unscrew the cylinder. Now you want to get some meat, form it into a log, because we need to get it in the cylinder. Just push it in there. Takes a little bit of time, but it's not too bad. A little messy, but you can wash up. Now you also want to push it down and pack it. You want to try to get the air out of it. I'm using a rolling pin that I have, but you could use a wooden spoon. And when you're doing that, you don't want to pack it too much that it comes out the filler tube. But it goes quicker if you pack it. You want to stay about 1.5 inches from the top. And that's about where I'm at right now. So I'm going to wash up and then I'll show you how to extrude these out. Okay, we're all set. Jerky cannon's loaded. I'm going to screw the cylinder on. Now you can press the button, push this down till you got resistance. Now the collagen casings, I bought smoked collagen casings. You can get them smoked or not smoked. And the easiest way to load them is pull the end out like this. I'm going to keep that back there. Slide this on the tube. And then you just want to pull some out, slide them on, pull some out, slide them on. You can slide them on tight. Get as much as on there as you can. Pull some out, slide them on. When you get a bunch on there, pair of scissors, cut. Now, when you extrude, if you just crank them out like this, they'll come out, but they're going to be kind of wrinkly. So what you need to do is hold the tube here and give it just enough resistance so as they come out, they're filling the casings. I've cleaned and sanitized my counter. I'm going to extrude on the counter and then transfer them to a drying sheet. So to do that, just hold your jerky cannon, squeeze it like a caulking gun. You can see it filling the tube. Right there, I'm going to pull away. Cut. You can use a knife, but scissors work great. I'll tell you what, oop, coming out. If you show up in deer camp with these, your buddies are gonna love you. And I camp, and I love to have them when I'm camping, especially sitting around a campfire. So there's our beef sticks. Takes a while to get the hang of it. That one's a little bigger than this one, but I don't think anybody's going to complain. And these are also great for fishing. Throw them in a Ziploc, take them in the boat, and when you're out on a lake, you're going to love them to snack on. So I'm going to keep extruding, and then when I'm done, we'll continue on. All right, I've extruded all of our snack sticks. Now we're going to transfer them to a drying rack. Takes a little bit of time to get the hang of extruding them in the same size. And if you really want to get picky, you can measure them to keep them all in the same length. But I tell you what, if you break these out in deer camp and surprise your buddies with them, they're not going to care how long they are. So now you can do these in a smoker, but you can also do them in your oven. That's what we're going to do today. So they're on the drying rack, and they're going to go in the oven at 200 degrees until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. And you want to check that at like your fattest one, like this one here or this one here. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll get right back to you. Hey, we're back, and our beef snack sticks are done. As you can see, we have a pretty good pile of them, and they taste absolutely delicious. So this is a recipe that you guys that hunt and fish, even you guys that don't, would really enjoy. It's a lot of fun to make. And like I said, you can get the jerky cannon, seasoning, the collagen casings, pretty much everything you want from LEMProducts.com. They're not a sponsor of the video. I've just been using their products for years because I love them. I mean, and I love their equipment. So I hope you like this video, and you definitely should give this one a try. So check back on the channel and see what other videos that we have for you to look at, and what other videos that might be popping up. And I hope to see you next time.